Be'ezat Hashem, we continue with Halachot Talmud Torah from Sefer Limud Torah. So, learning on the night of Purim. So, Kol mitzvah she'en la doresh ve'en mi she'vakesh otah yesh l'dusha u'l'chazik bah. Lefi she'i kama mitzvot she'en lo korvim. She'yigadeh sechar mit'asek bo. So, there are certain mitzvot that people don't talk about it, they don't know about it, they don't give much importance to it. Right? One should really talk about these mitzvot and get involved, because these mitzvot could be very, very much precious from many other mitzvot. What are some examples? The learning at night, the chasod learning, that is the highest learning of all times, or the times that people are not really learning Torah, like Motzai Shabbat. Right? Some people are not learning Torah, or Erev Shabbat, especially Erev Shabbat. There are some kolelim that are Erev Shabbat kolelim, Motzai Shabbat kolelim, or Erev Chag. Everyone is busy. Not that many people are learning Torah. So they're not giving so much importance to that Torah. So if a person comes to Beit Midrash and learns Torah at that time, he gets the sechar of all those who are not present. ומסופר על רב אחד שבליל פורים היה יושב ועוסק בתורה רוב הלילה, כיוון שבלילה הזה כולם אוכלים ושותים ושמחים ואין לו להקדוש ברוך הוא מי שיעסק בתורתו. So there is the Maaseh story about a Rab, doesn't mention who. Right, that this Rab would sit and learn Torah most of the night of Purim. Why the night of Purim? Because still many people are, involved with Purim celebration, food. Right, they are probably asleep already. Right, and he would get the sechar of all. Right, and that is the time that nobody is not much involved with giving thanks and sanctifying the name of Hashem. So that individual is sanctifying Hashem by his learning Torah. V'lachen yoshev v'yasok b'Torah. Therefore, a person should sit and learn Torah on night of Purim. Sheteyeh Torato chashuv lifnei Hashem, because that Torah is very chashuv, very important in front of Hashem. U'mitzvah she'en la rodfim, and this is the mitzvah that many people are not going after. Right? Vehi mekatzreket lifnei hamagom ve'omeret. This mitzvah that is not, people are not doing it, right? Are not going after. This mitzvah goes to Hashem and is making qitruk. Kama garua anochi shenit almati mikol. Right? How unfortunate, right? Garua, unfortunate. How unfortunate I am that I am being rejected by all. Lachen yesh lirdof acharei ve'yekabel sachar tov. Therefore, these mitzvot that people don't know, particularly the learning on Purim night, go after and get the sachar tov, right, from many. This is brought in and Yazu Chasidim, in Sefer Yazu Chasidim. Another halacha is the importance of learning halacha on the night of Hoshana Raba. Right? On night of Hoshana Raba, we stay up and we learn from the Tikkun, right? The Sefer Qiriyeh Moed. Why is that? Lefi shebechag nidunim al hamayim, because we are judged on Chag Sukkot on water. And shekol chaye adam teluim b'mayim, and every person is dependent upon water, right? Mayim vehu hayom Aharon shel chag. And another importance of learning Torah Hoshana Rabbah is because that's the last day of Chag Sukkot. V'hakol holech acharei hachitom, and everything goes after the end. So we want to end with learning Torah. And one more halakha here. Right, lo alenu. If a person becomes avel, mourner, one of the 7 people that he needs to mourn, right? Horu Rabbanei Yerushalayim, להתיר לו להשתתף בלימוד של Hoshana Raba. Can he go learn the learning of Hoshana Raba? He is avel? Yes, he is allowed because of the importance of the night of Hoshana Raba.